I think the last time I saw the battery winking, I just pray that whenever it decides to stop, we're here. Hey apples, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today I'll be doing a bold spring tutorial, makeup tutorial, and I won't be using the regular schmegler technique like a cut crease. Really, I didn't even know my eyes, like I could do this look with my eyes because I have hooded eyes. But I saw this look on Facebook. Let me see if I can give this girl her credits. Yes, I literally opened up Facebook in a group that I'm on for makeup, and I saw this girl made the post. Oh my god, hold on guys. And I was like, damn, this look is dope. I have to try it. That's exactly what I said. Her name is Sabrina C. Floriano. So yeah, I think it's a Spanish girl, but I thought it was super cute. I'm going to leave the picture over here. And I just jumped in for my camera and decided to film this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it because I really love it. Literally, I didn't even know I had like the skills. I was like, you know what, if I fail it, I just fail it. I probably would try it again because that's how much I love it. It kind of look like a tie and dye kind of look, but it's not, but it gives that illusion and I love it. So starting off with my brows, I use my Maybelline Brow Define pencil and a drugstore pencil also to fill it in as usual. And to clean up my brows, I use my Huda Beauty concealer and my Sigma F70 brush. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. It means a lot to me. I'm using a blue shade from my BH Cosmetics 2nd edition palette. I think the last time I saw the battery winking, I just pray that whenever it decides to stop, we're here. So with my Juvia's Place palette, I'll be going in with a 2 light shade in a 3rd row of the palette, which is a pink and purple, and I'll be just blending those below the blue shade. So I'll be going in with a purple shade first, and then below the purple shade I'll pack the pink shade on. So now I'm going in with this yellow shade from one of the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just using my MAC brush to pat it on. And as you can see, I'm tapping it upwards. Now I'm going in with this green shade from the Tribe palette by Juvia's Place, and I'll be packing that right beside the yellow shade, and I'll also be packing it going upwards.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side.
So for the outer V, all you're doing is pretty much packing on and blending the yellow shade around the green and the yellow, and you'll find that as you blend, some of the other shades might fade out. You just go back in and tap them again, so you'll find that it's kind of a out in until you get everything to come together.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So if you catch the eyeshadow technique, comment you're up. So to prep my face, I'm going in with grapeseed oil. Then I'll be going in with my Sephora primer.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highway.
So for my real OGGs, pause the video right now and comment down below which 2 foundations I'll be mixing. Welcome back. So now I'm assuming that you paused and you responded. So I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'll be dabbing this all over with my beauty blender. Next, I'll be going in with my Huda Beauty foundation, and I'll be doing the same.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Now I'll be going in with my concealer from Huda Beauty, and I'll be using a flat concealer brush and my beauty blender to blend this out. Comment down below also if you'd love to see me do a makeup tutorial with all drugstore products.
And on we'll go.
If you didn't know, one of my favorite things to do when doing my makeup is contouring my nose. It's so therapeutic to me, like hunty, that nose needs to be snatched. And I'm using my NYX contour and highlight to do this with it's my Ray brush. I'll be using the same contour for the rest of my face, only difference I'll be using a beauty blender to blend the rest out. I'll be using this drugstore pencil to line my lips, and it's like a deep plum shade. Now I'll be going in with this pinkish nudie shade from Fulani, and oh my god, I love this color so much. Yo, like, oh, forget to put on them lashes. Oh my god, so I'm going in with this mascara, and it's from Maybelline, and then I'll be popping them babies on. Like, you're tripping, girl. Now join me for the drenching session. We shall. I love to set my face. Right now, I'm popping some lashes on, and girl, if you're not following my business page on Instagram, make sure you go and check it out. It's Monique_luxurious_beauty, and I'll leave it on the screen, and you'll see some dope 25mm lashes. Right here, I'm popping some highlighter on from MAC Cosmetics. Sounds to be nice cause my nipple.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
So guys, this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next video, one love.
I don't wanna miss a beat.